Hello, kapang takot ibu song, narok kumpul TV nu coy nai tong bagai belanya hambai, au tini seng sok faizak wangmun kami wo, omong ke Jampui hin bisung kelayo, bawa gerabah no puila, o amsayo iya presya fayo, belanya khatung zak bo o mangplirong nuk fai o kami ni borok bai malai, omo hakino chung bahai no norok no je engi tong mani hakaba bom hai. Abrong phongnan bagino logi faijak tini oroni kabangmo lokorok bahino belani khatungjak au tini bobagro sapaiman gato obuni bagino CAB 2016 Citizenship Amendment Bill abono kasunani bagai je choba khlai tongmani as a Congress ni katal PCC ni president ngai tini omhakino election campaigns ni bagai tini or sok paijak bobagra Pradyot Kishore Debbarma hake chung norokno obun chai togi tong norokno latest videos te kabang ma orani updates hake tam bom hangi tong obrong phongnani bagai hake norok choyo nai toni khumpi tv chung maken chai tong nai orani logorok bahaina basuk jara bubagram te khatungjak te bubagra puila bongni o amsayo ya pri shapama ba borok basuk jara tongthokjak te bom hai khatung mong abrong norokno phongnani bagai chung chai tok nai tong
ta ole ya phangole sipian na tang tungu sipian tangmoni arpo ta oke jung ong chi bo chi pa har ya kung bara bono nang phra ne nang ba ye jang bai tang ni ye chom na anh para ke bombu kumong ke salkati porbe ke koin sipian moni sipian ne chemo ba ke ba BJP se pai ha ke ta ke BJP no nice de ya ka ni chom ni rega bu maya ju rega mai to mon rega pho maya olen pension pura bata pho mai to nai ro pho no krayo ke koto chakri nang mai ye to nai ro pho bro pho no mai ya ha bro pho no gin sa ha to ke phero ye phai pe na bo chakri mai ne ro pho bura burchu ro pho abar ke mi bura burchu ro le bati ses mai mi sa pension olen pension mai to mai yang bo ye abono breke mai ya kepi barau nai se sapio maser hani abo 2000 mil mai nai himase ta ke krai khau stha ke chumbre ke chaya thangnai je cha thani mano chungpo martu umsi
tangai congress no hamza khatabo
akoi boke bis ka unati tongnai deung no pa wo unati tongnai hi samon bo ye bo mudino krairi nai are hi sami ka
angke purbe ke sipian ni age ke member ai le join ju sang je se chung zao tong ska chung arong pho bo thanai election phane ma wa ke ang sipian ni BJP o bai pha ko BJP o bai ya BJP no nangkhru ye upojukto kheya sarkar po ta o mai tong ha arong pho bo sarkar no hamya uyani ba o che ang congress sarkar wa ta o ji ba saya thau ne ha are ye jung support ri le ha
so explain.
This is my first time to Jampui Hills and I'm very happy to come and restart and rekindle a relationship between two families which is over 118 years. The Dokuma Sailo and the Maharaja of Tripura were friends, they knew each other and it's a very old association. My father was here, my grandfather knew his father, him, and now I have met him. So literally we have met, he's met Maharaja Bir Bikram, he's met Maharaja Kirit Bikram, and today he's met me. The entire family is here, and I wish to come back here again, simply because there's a lot of warmth, hospitality here. There's a lot of love and affection and mutual respect between the people of Jampui Hills and the erstwhile royal family of Tripura, and especially with the Dokuma Sailo family, who was also conferred the title of Raja Bahadur by my great grandfather. I'm very happy that I'm here, I'm very happy that I've met him. They've showed me the gifts that the Maharaja had conferred to his grandfather, and it's very heartening to see how different communities during the time of the Maharajas lived with each other with respect and across different linguistic lines, different cultural lines. I wish that the modern day Tripura also followed the same example and kept relationships, a relationship which is over a century, intact. I'm very happy, and I hope to come back again here, maybe in a couple of months again, and maybe that time spend a couple of days here. I think it's very important to spend time with the people of Jampui Hills. I've also extended my personal invitation to all of them whenever they come to Agartala to come and meet me and maybe even spend some time with me in Agartala. Nevertheless, I came here for the first time, but to be very honest, this will definitely not be my only time. I'm going to come back here over and over again. I've got a lot of love, a lot of respect, and I've simply been bowled over by the cleanliness, by the way the people are living here. It's something that the whole of Tripura should try to emulate.
Any good plan for this area from Boagar side?
I personally believe that there is the school setup here is very good. The primary education is very good. But then after the students, when they pass out, then they have nowhere to go and study. We need a good English language college here, English medium college here, so that the youth, boys and girls, after they finish their school, need not leave this place and go to Agartala or go to Mizoram or to any part of India. We need to retain the youth in this area itself so that there is no exodus. So I think a good education institution here is something that we can definitely look into. I can definitely talk to a lot of private universities, colleges. I hope that the government decides that everything cannot be Agartala centric. Everything cannot be built in Agartala. There's other parts of Tripura which needs development. And development, when it comes to school, it's essential development. I'm going to another village right now. I believe drinking water is a huge problem here. Here we are spending a lot of money on youth festivals and so on and so forth. Spending on ducks. We are not spending enough money on drinking water. Drinking water is essential. As again, I'm saying that the government, whoever it is, BJP, Congress, CPM, is too Agartala centric. And we need to change that and bring it to the bordering parts of the Tripura as well. So these are two things which come primarily in mind. I hope to come here more often, not just during elections. And when I'm here, I think there are other things which can also be worked upon. Let's not give ideas to people what we can do. Let people tell us what they want. I think that is the best way a leader should function. He should listen to what the people want rather than tell the people what they should want, what they can get. So then there is a meeting ground. I think that is the only thing which I would like to say.
Some areas still they are suffering for the transportations.
Communication is a huge problem. Communication is again a huge problem. Let's be very honest. Someone falls ill. It's not only restricted to Jampui. Someone falls ill in Kanchanpur, they have to go to Agartala for better medical treatment. Someone passes school in Kerala or Jampui, has to go to Agartala. Communication is a problem, I agree. But the reason why communication is a problem is because everything is Agartala centric. We need to create satellite townships, we need to create smaller infrastructure where the people don't need to necessarily go to Agartala. Agartala is congested, Agartala is overpopulated. We need to create infrastructure outside Agartala. And people who don't need to go to Agartala then for a life, to sustain their lifestyle or to have employment, have better hospitals, have better colleges. Look at the place here, it's so beautiful. Why would anyone want to go to Agartala if those facilities were here. So it's very important that we come out of that Agartala mindset and develop this area as well as other parts of Tripura, maybe even Dhalai, maybe even Kailashahar, Dharmanagar. If you go to Raima Valley, Roisabari, there's no development happening there. We need to create that sort of setup and infrastructure.
Thank you.
Yes, on behalf of the family of the Ukuma Silo, we are so happy to have Maharaj with us today, and it is a historic. His visit to us, to the family as well as the Jampui Hill, is a historic. So we are so much, we are very much happy to have with us, and we hope that the relationship that has been maintained during the time of the Ukuma Silo will be maintained, and this time is the revival of the relationship and the reunion, we call it, as a family also. So we are very much thankful to him as he visit us today.
How you feel Bubagra as a leader?
Yes, it's good. We accept him. Yes.
In political way or in other side also?
In any areas. As political leader also, we accept him, as well as from the family line also, and as well as we have been the citizen of this Maharaja, no, during the regime of Maharaja, so we accept him in all respect.
As a Tripura people, what should be our main goal?
No, the main goal is the unity among the indigenous people. This should be our main goal, so that we can live happily in Tripura, since we are the indigenous people.